So hey, what's up, y'all? It's your homegirl checking in. Today I'm going to be doing a watermelon mukbang. Whatever, mukbang. um, the other day I was gonna do a vlog, but you know what? To be honest, I felt bad afterwards. Like literally, like I felt like so weak and. Long story short, this is next day. So yes, I have some tahine. Of course, you already know some tahine. I don't really like a lot of tahine though. But it tastes so good. It's like frozen watermelon. Oh, it's a bit cold. It's a bit cold. I don't know, for some reason it was in the fridge and it's supposed to just be cold, but it's like iced watermelon. It's still good though. You just gotta have strong teeth. I keep hearing like a phone. Set it aside because then it's gonna be too much on my plate. It's so juicy. Can you see? Can y'all see it? ¿Qué te levantaste? I don't know. Is it me or like they're just fucking? Look at this one. Oh, it's like 2 in 1. Oh, that is so fucking juicy. I don't like the seeds though. I don't, even if they're like the white seeds, I just don't fuck with them. I don't know, it's a weird story. ¿Quién es lo? Se escucha bien cerca, como si aquí fuera. I'm like, I know I'm hearing like a phone and it's like drrr, drrr, you know. No, hombre, I feel like I was going crazy. I'm like, what the fuck am I hearing? This one It's already starting to melt. So it's like more sweet, more just like soft, and I don't know. I don't know. I keep getting tahini in my hand, so I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. This looks so good on camera. Oh my god. I don't know if later on I'm gonna see it the same once I'm like watching it. But it looks so fucking good on camera. Yeah. Like it makes me want to eat like with more passion. Like it's still cold. The fridge is like really like going at it because it's freezing things up. The other day, the milk, a gallon of milk, it was like so. It was like a rock, solid. I was like, wait, this is supposed to be liquid. What? Either that or it's messing up. I don't know. I was sick. I never thought it could happen to me, but it did. And like it's a process. Like you don't just get over it like a cold, like the common cold. You don't just like bounce back. Like it takes you a while. And to be honest, I can't taste 100% or whatever, but I can't fully taste things. Only like I would say like maybe 50-50. Look at that. This side looks much cuter than this side. Yeah, I won't imagine like how good. Let me see how good this tastes. Oh look, like a poppy. Estás muy frío. It's literally so like cold. My teeth is like maybe getting numb. Okay. Man, I swear to God, I like, for some weird reason, I love watching this TikTok lady that she eats ice, like just ice. Everything it's ice. Like she's gonna eat a cake, ice. She's gonna eat a what's it called, candy, ice. How could she handle like eating so much ice? After a while, like your teeth starts to, I don't know, like get sensitive. I don't know if I can see it. Oh no. And I was gonna give my babies like some, but I don't think they could handle it. I'm going to leave it out for like a little bit, and then I'm gonna give it to them because their teeth are sensitive, and I'm gonna mess them up. Like they're gonna be scarred for life. I'm gonna be like, nah, not me. But yeah, I'm taking like the white seeds out because I don't know, for some reason it's like I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Like I just can't eat it all like with seeds. There's this time that we went to buy watermelon and we asked the lady like, does it have seeds? She's like, no, it's completely seedless. Like completely. Like there's no seeds. You just gotta sit there and eat. I'm like, oh wow, okay, yeah, that's what I want. Oh, it's a big watermelon. Like, it's supposed to be seedless, which is even great. So we cut it, and then once we open it and we see what's really inside, oh my god, that watermelon was like full of seeds. Like full of seeds. Oh my god. That day, it was like a sunflower. You know, like how it's full of seeds. Yeah, it was terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. And I was like, how am I gonna eat this? Like, she said it was seedless, and look at this. Like, she lied to us, completely lied to us. And the weirdest part, well, the weirdest thing is that we know like who she is. Like, why would she lie to us? Now I know, like, no, we're not gonna go there. Let's go this way. So yeah, like if y'all sell things or whatever, like in general, like don't lie about it. Like if it has seeds, tell the truth. Be like, yes, it does have seeds. Don't be like lying to people, because that's how you lose clients. That's how you lose everything. Like, you know what me and you had, it's over. But yeah. Oh, damn, you look sexy. Si te queda bien, I told you. Con ese hubiera salido en la mañana. De verdad.
Vamos a la vuelta un rato.
Yeah, let me just finish. People want to see me finish this sandía.
Yeah, we'll finish it indeed.
Oh my god. It probably wouldn't have taken me this long, but since the watermelon is cold, or this one is like less cold. Oh god. Okay. I needed a break. Okay. I have big teeth, but no son de acero. I don't know how to say that. It's not like made of steel. So I do feel it. And I'm not gonna pretend like, oh, it's cold, but I'm like, nah. Like, I'm telling y'all, my teeth feel some type of way. Like watermelon, so I'm gonna keep on going, and this for y'all. So, yeah, I just gotta suck it up. Like, when you're sick, like, and you can't, like, really taste things, afterwards, you're like, you know what? Even if it's just beans with avocado and tortillas and maybe some salsita, like, I wouldn't eat it. Like, you appreciate every single little thing, even if it's like the most insignificant thing. Like, to rich people, it'll probably be like she's eating that and she's happy about it. Like, are you okay? Like, literally, are you okay? But I appreciate like my taste buds. I appreciate like every single little thing. Like, I don't care if it's rice and beans. I don't care if it's just tortilla with salt. Because if I like it, I'm gonna eat it. And trust me, being without taste buds has made me appreciate like the little things like so damn much. Even tahini, because I don't normally eat it like this, but it has made me appreciate so many things. Okay, you have stuck to the end of this video. Thank you so much for literally just watching me, because I believe that by you sticking around, maybe you like me, maybe you enjoy watching my videos just a little bit, you know, even if you don't want to admit it. It's okay, sweetie. I won't tell no one. But yeah, enough like playing around. Thank you so much for love and support. And if you have enjoyed the video, like, I'm not going to tell you to like it and or subscribe, but I am going to tell you, if you enjoy it, keep on watching, like, more and more and more, even if you don't want to subscribe. Sorry, but much love from your homegirl, and take care till next time.